use this website, then come over here, pick from any one of these links, and then simply follow my strategy and you will know exactly how to make thousands of dollars in passive income. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $2,850 per month with this free website. Guys, this is going to be a completely beginner-friendly tutorial and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. All you have to do is simply watch this video from the start till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to simply come on to spyfu.com. So once you come on to spyfu.com, after that you will see this dashboard in front of you. So their starting membership basically costs you $33 per month, but don't worry because they also have a trial program as well. But the method that I'm about to show you is not going to require you to invest any money whatsoever, not even your time on a trial period, because like you can actually make money from this tool without actually buying anything whatsoever, but rather selling a service. So from over here you can see that they have over 380 reviews and all of them are 4.5 stars, and they have also been given the award of PC Editor's Choice. So guys, definitely this is a legit website. Now after that, we even have some testimonials from different people. We have Robert C saying that I utilize many resources in my SpyFu account. However, the tool that stands out the most for me would have to be Combat. This allows me to get keyword data based on competitors' efforts. So essentially the purpose of this website is to give you keywords that can get your website ranked on Google, on YouTube, or basically any social media platform. Because guys, as we all know, the key to actual social media success is basically getting your video, your website, or your post to the first page of every single person's search that searches for your particular service. So like let's say if a person searches for dental business, well then their business should be ranked at the top of Google and not on the second page of Google, because if it is ranked on the second page of Google, well they are losing potential customers and approximately 90% of their audience. So that is why keyword research is very necessary for any business online, whether that be e-commerce, whether that be your very own clinic locally, but you need your presence online if you want to survive in 2021. So that is why this website is very important, and you can definitely make quite a lot of money if you understand this method correctly and if you don't skip anything. Again guys, you have to make sure that you listen to me closely and you pay close attention, because I've seen people make thousands of dollars after doing this method, but I've also seen people who have not made any money whatsoever. And I want you guys to be from the group that actually makes money and that actually has goals and that actually wants to succeed in life. So definitely pay attention. Now what does SpyFu do in summary? So you basically search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they've bought on Google Ads, every organic rank, and every ad variation. So essentially you can check all the history of any website, basically what they are using, what they want to use, how are they working, what are their main sources of traffic, and you can basically use that data to basically get your own website to the top of Google or basically another person's website, and you can simply receive money from them for doing those things. But you won't even have to do that in this particular method, because in this method, honestly, all that you need to do is simply know how to copy and paste, and that is it. Now over here you can even see that they also offer PPC competitor research. You simply search for a competitor, you see every keyword they've ever bought on Google, and you see every ad test they've run. They make their successes your own and avoid their mistakes. So like guys, that is how it works. You simply learn from other businesses and then you simply use that data to rank your very own product over here. So over here you can even see that they also offer SEO competitor research, and guys, honestly these are some of the best features ever. After that, they even have keyword research tools as well. Now guys, these things are so important when you want to get your website ranked that honestly every single business needs them, and if you have a business you need them as well. So that is why this website is so important. Now after that, what I want you to do now is click on affiliates over here. click on affiliates, and then after that, that is going to take you over here. So through their affiliate program, you can essentially get recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. You can start earning every single month, and you won't have to do anything whatsoever. All you'll have to do is simply get people to join SpyFu, and that is literally it. So guys, from over here you can even see all the different features that they have. You can simply sign up for absolutely free. You can use simple links, and then after that you can simply earn money, sit back and enjoy the dividends. Now over here you can even track your cookies for 365 days, and then you would also be paid twice every single month. The numbers are definitely in your favor, and this is a literally true passive income. Now after that, what you need to do is simply click on start earning every month, and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then this is going to load up. Now once this loads up, after that you will essentially be able to sign up as an affiliate and start making money. Now right now they are not accepting any signups as of the moment, but over here you will see a sign up page which you can simply sign up on, and after that simply start to receive payments once you simply share your affiliate link and people actually start to use this particular platform through your affiliate link. So guys, this was step number 1, and now I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to simply come on to google.com, and then after that I want you to type in the search bar business. Now once you type in business, this is a very general keyword. So basically now you will have all these different options and like different articles come up. But to be more specific, you can type in a dental California. Now once you type in dental California, after that you will see a lot of these businesses come up. Now the websites over here, they are paying a tremendous amount of money to Google to basically get their websites ranked on over here. Now if you go over to the second page, or even at the end of this page, these pages over here, they are not gonna be like getting a lot of visitors, because like honestly nobody scrolls this down to actually find themselves a business. People usually just pick from the top 4 or just simply pick from over here, because like honestly this is the most efficient way to do that. But the people over here, honestly they are not getting any traffic whatsoever. So what you can do is that you can simply open up any one of these. I'm gonna open up this, and then after that, that is gonna take me over here. So from over here I can essentially call them on this number, and then after that I can simply tell them that like, hey, I'm not gonna charge you any money, but simply hear me out because I might have a good proposal for you to grow your business. And that is definitely gonna get them engaged, and then you can simply explain to them what this platform does, and then simply share your affiliate link. Now once you do that, and if they like what you tell them, they will definitely use your affiliate link and sign up and spend like tens of thousands of dollars, but you will get 40% payout for life. So guys, that is gonna be a lot of money from just one person without doing absolutely anything. And on the right side, you can even reach out to them via their socials like Facebook, Twitter, Google, or all these socials. So guys, like definitely the opportunity is there, and you can definitely make yourself quite a lot of money in doing this. So guys, that is how you can essentially reach potential customers for your affiliate link, and you can make quite a lot of money. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, definitely do that, and this was the video. And if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.